Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a few solutions that you can do if your JBL Wavebane is not charging. So the first thing that you can do is that if you can actually access the app, so when you're going to have the JBL headphone, the app, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and then you're going to have the support, and then under FAQ you're going to reset to factory settings, and you want to press reset. So this is the first thing that you can try to do. The second thing is that if this is not going to work out, you can change the cable, also change the adapter, try to change the USB port where you're charging, like all those things that you can influence. And the last thing that you can try to do is that plug them back into the earbud, into the case. Okay, have them in case. Now you want to unpair them with the phone, as I mentioned, reset. So unpair them. Then you want to take them out. And on the left earbud, you want to press it 3 times. And on the third time, you want to hold it about 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, and hold it. And then what is going to happen is going to reset for you. You can try it multiple times. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, and hold on the third time. Then when you're going to hold it, it's going to automatically reset for you. And you want to put them back in case and close it. So maybe this is going to be solved for you. So I hope it does. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.